Surfactant is a powerful, eco-friendly, foaming detergent designed to take your cleaning to the next level. It's chlorine stable and mixes easily with bleach, helping to mask harsh odors with fresh apple, cherry, or lemon fragrances. This commercial-grade formula delivers long-lasting foaming properties, extending dwell times for a deeper cleaning, and rinses off easily. Surfactant is highly concentrated, dilutable up to 300 times, making it able to be tailored to your cleaning needs. Before applying surfactant, remove any loose dirt or debris using a brush or blower. For routine soft washing, mix surfactant with bleach to clean any substrate where mold and grime build up. Easy to use, tough on stains, and safe for a variety of surfaces.